Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. Freezing panes in Excel is very useful when you want to have a look at a particular row or column and for them to essentially stay frozen and in place. So we have our data here, so what we can do is we can head over to the View tab, and then under Window you can see here that we can freeze top row, freeze first column, or freeze panes. So if I scroll down on my data, I can no longer see the columns at the top. So in order to stop this, we can go here, freeze top row, and now you can see that those column names at the top stay in place. So I can always see essentially what this value means. So it's a job title. So I'm just going to unfreeze now. What you can also do is also freeze the first column. So if you're doing a particular bit of data analysis and you need that first column to stay in place the whole time, that is extremely useful. And then I can scroll as much as I want to across, but that first one will always stay in place. Another option that we have is that we can use the freeze panes option. So if I want these first three columns to stay in place, I can head over again to the Window option here and then freeze panes. That will now keep these first three columns in place. So as much as I scroll across, they won't move. So if you want some particular columns in place, that is very useful. You can also do this with rows as well. So if I want the first 10 rows to stay in place, if I select the first value here on row 11, I now freeze panes. I can now scroll down as much as I'd like, but those first 10 rows will stay in place. So very useful feature to use on Excel. Highly recommend using it when you're doing some data analytics, especially if you're working with large spreadsheets with a number of columns. And definitely recommend using. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.